welcome to the show. I'm Tony Tutan, and today we got another unboxing review to do. So this was sent to me by a distributor. This is Holife toaster. So we're gonna do an unboxing on that. We also have bread and chicken. So we're gonna do a little chicken sandwich at the end of the video. So right now, Holife is having a giveaway on their website. I will put the description down below. Make sure you go check it out. So let's get started doing this review. Let's go. So here you go, guys. Here's the box. Let's open it up. See what we find in here. First time opening it. First here we have the user's manual. Make sure you review this. A lot of good information in here. Tells you how to use it. What's the dangerous stuff into it. Specifics, you know, what numbers. It has what numbers to for your bread, for the color of your bread, how crunchy you want it to be, how to clean it. This is good information right here. So let's put that on the side. Here we got some protection plastic. Just take that out. So this is a 2-slice toaster. Pretty light. Just a normal looking toaster, but so shiny. I like how shiny it is. So Holife, they have numbers right here, so you gotta adjust what temperature and how long you want it to be. It has bagel, defrost, and cancel. So you want to cancel, you just push this button, it'll pop back up. That's awesome. Usually, you know, you have to put the whole thing up to get the bread to come out. But they have a cancel button right there. That's pretty neat. And it's probably digital too with this screen right here. Oh no, this is so clean, nice. Tells you the model number, serial number, and all stuff right here. So, very clean looking. It matches with any kitchen. Holife. So that's the unboxing and review. Let's get to cooking now. Let's make a sandwich. Let's go. Ooh, nice and crispy. Look at that, so beautiful. That's just perfect. That's on number 3. So here you go, guys. The finished product. Look at that. Nice, crunchy sandwich. Made, toasted with this beautiful toaster. Super easy when you switch it, and then you have a cancel button. The lights turn up. Very, very beautiful. So guys, first bite. Very, very crunchy, very evenly, not burnt spot. Good toaster. Well, guys, go out and buy you one of these because beautiful all the way around. And check the description down below for a chance to win a prize at Holife website. So go check it out. All right, I'm out. I'll see you next time. Bye.